In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GoHighLevel Snapshot ID. Knowing where to locate your Snapshot ID can greatly simplify sharing and managing your marketing campaigns, especially when you're working with clients or team members who need access to the same configuration. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to make sure you're in the correct view in GoHighLevel, which is the agency view. This is crucial because it contains all the necessary settings and options that individual accounts might not offer. Once you're there, head over to the Settings section. The settings provide you with a wealth of control over your account, allowing you to customize and optimize your user experience. Within the settings, look for the section labeled Snapshots. This area is where all the magic happens. Snapshots are essentially blueprints of your campaigns and configurations. They allow you to efficiently duplicate the setup across different accounts or for various clients. Now, with your list of snapshots displayed, browse through it to locate the specific snapshot you are interested in. After pinpointing the snapshot you need, click on the option to share it. This step is necessary because by sharing, you generate a URL containing the snapshot ID. When you click Share, a link will be generated specifically for the snapshot you've selected. The importance of this link cannot be overstated, as it is directly tied to the snapshot's unique ID. Once the link appears, the next step is to copy it. This action will ensure you have the URL safely in your clipboard, ready for you to use wherever you need it, whether it's in an email, a message to a colleague, or any documentation you're preparing. This URL is crucial because it includes the snapshot ID, which is embedded within it. When you take a closer look at the URL, you'll notice a part that resembles this. Snapshot id abc wayne 23 plus y's. The characters following snapshot ID are your unique snapshot ID. In this case, the ID is ABC123XYZ. This ID is what identifies your specific snapshot within GoHighLevel, allowing you to share it and even import it into other accounts. Remember, being able to readily identify and share your snapshot ID can drastically enhance your workflow, especially when managing multiple campaigns. It saves time, reduces errors, and fosters seamless collaboration between you and your team or clients. That wraps up our guide on how to find your GoHighLevel Snapshot ID. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your snapshots effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and insights.